Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out this LARKSOUND soundbar. And this is a neat looking little soundbar here. I hooked it up to my television. It has some pretty decent sound, but I'm mainly going to be using it for a Bluetooth speaker. So just plug this into my garage, and it does come with these little mounting brackets, so you can actually just put these on the wall somewhere and then just slide right on there. You could just hang it on the wall or something. So this has an HDMI port, it's got optical input, and then the remote, you can switch it for either it has the remote here if you want to use it for HDMI. If you're using that, you can use that. Optical, Bluetooth, has the volume adjustment and all that stuff on there. Different modes for just one push for like movie, night, 3D. Pretty handy little setup with the remote there. So yeah, the setup for Bluetooth, super easy. You can just turn the power on, hit the Bluetooth button, and then search it in your phone. Gonna pull that up, and then I'm actually gonna put it out in the garage for like a gym thing. So as soon as you fire that up, you can just plug in your music and get your workout on. So yeah, I did use it on my television. It's decent sound quality. It was not quite as loud. I have some pretty good speakers on my television, but that's definitely for like a Bluetooth speaker. This is going to be super legit. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time. All right, well, I just hooked this up real quick to the wall and just show you how to use it as a Bluetooth speaker. Basically, just turn on your Bluetooth and search. Once you power it on, just power this on. The blue light there is for Bluetooth. Once you hit the Bluetooth button, that'll switch over to that, and that'll be discoverable on your device. Look up for LS Soundbar. Connects right away. I just connected to my Galaxy Buds. Don't need to do that. Okay, and then we can hit play on that. Turn the audio on. So it gets pretty loud there. So not hearing any like audio distortion or anything like that. With that, it has the bass up and down button too, so you can crank up the bass on that. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I did have it connected to my TV, but like I said before, the TV speakers are pretty loud, and so this wasn't just like overcoming that. It did have a little bit better bass than my television though, but as far as just like a decent little Bluetooth speaker for putting in my garage, the gym there, and so it's gonna pump some music, so you can just plug it in the wall, don't have to worry about batteries, so it's super handy. So yeah, it's pretty loud too, so definitely loud enough for what we'll be using it for. But some good audio there. Why is it beeping? Did I pause? Bluetooth. And okay, so puts out some decent audio, guys. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the performance there. Not like I didn't hear any like audio distortion or the speakers like crackling or anything like that. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.